So we all know about a method called replace method, right? We have seen the replace method also. So now I have a string. I have a string called the temperature is very low, or say like is very high. Okay, thermometer is not working correctly. Is not working correctly. I have a string like this. Now I want to replace the word called the with hey, with hey. Okay, so what is your approach? What is your approach, and how are you going to going to do this? How are you going to do this? Very simple, guys. What we do, right? We go and use your replace. So replace is nothing but, so if you use your control F in your, not control F, sorry, control H on your notepad, right? What will happen? Find and replace, find and replace, find and replace. Find what you want to find, replace with what value you want to replace with. Got it, right? So we have to do the same operation. So we'll go blindly and we'll do that. See what is going to be happen. Let me take the same string that is available here. Let me go and share you that. Now let me take the Python IDE here. Now what I'll do, right? I'll take the example for here, and I'll take my data is equal to this, right? So what I'll do, right? I'll be using my data dot replace. We all know about replace method, right? So find what the and replace with hey. Okay. Now I'm going to get my output here. Output equal to, I'll be getting some data here. Fine. I don't have any concern with that. So now let me go and print my output here, and let me run the company. What happened here? Right? So wherever it found the word called the, right, it was replaced with the hey. See here, hey, temperature is very low. The word got replaced here. So be little cautious while implementing your replace method. Wherever there is a matching case, substring is going to get matched, that particular word will get replaced. Okay, so you should be little cautious while writing this replace method. Okay, so that is what your replace. Replace is going to replace the user given value. Even if there is a substring matches, the substring will get replaced.
Hi,